fight for independence was fueled by the courage of countless freedom fighters. But did you know that the power of Indian movies and songs also played a crucial role in inspiring the masses? Hi, this is Ashish Kumar Singh for NewsX, and today we are going to explore how cinema and music became the heartbeat of India's freedom struggle. Cinema in India began as a medium of entertainment but quickly transformed into a tool for resistance. Filmmakers like Dadasaheb Phalke, the father of Indian cinema, use mythological themes and historical narratives to subtly criticize British rule and instill a sense of pride in Indian culture. Movies like Bhakta Vidur in 1921 were seen as allegories of the freedom struggle, where characters symbolize the fight against oppression. Not only movies but patriotic songs like Vande Mataram and Sare Jahan Se Acha resonated deeply with the masses, uniting them under the banner of freedom. These songs might come across as melodies but were no less than battle cries, stirring the soul of a nation yearning for independence. During the 1930s and 1940s, Indian cinema evolved to address social issues often tied to the larger struggle for freedom. Films like Achut Kanya tackled the caste system, while Kismat in 1943 became one of the first Indian films to showcase a strong anti-colonial sentiment with the song Dur Hato Hai Duniya Walo, Hindustan Hamara Hai. These films subtly encourage the audience to challenge the status quo and envision a free India. Icons like Prithvi Raj Kapoor and KL Saigal use their fame to support the freedom movement both on and off the screen. Their work often reflected the struggles and aspirations of the common people, making the dream of independence more relatable and tangible. Even after independence, the legacy of patriotic films and songs continued to inspire generations. Movies like Mother India and songs like Ae Mere Watan Ke Logon serve as reminders of the sacrifices made for our freedom and the power of art in shaping a nation's identity. The Indian freedom struggle was not just a political movement, it was a cultural revolution. Through the magic of movies and the melody of songs, the spirit of freedom was kept alive in the hearts of millions. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family, and for all the updates, keep watching NewsX.